I usually have you on TV, so now my brother's impression of you is microwaved coffee, man. Listen, it's not what it looks like. I haven't microwaved any coffee yet today, okay? Yeah, I'll be right back. Yeah. In the meantime, tell me your favorite type of coffee, okay? So that I can look at it while I'm sipping my microwaved coffee. Okay, I'll be right back. Whoa.
A few moments later.
I have regrets. You see, you can see the pieces, the puzzle pieces that came together. The leftover coffee that was super burnt. The microwave. What did they create? Something not good. But it's caffeine, so I'm gonna drink it. Yeah. Shabababa, thank you very much. I'm sure microwave coffee is fine. My mom does that. It's just the half a week I have a problem with. Okay, well, this one isn't half a week old. It's just 2 days.